He's the same God who was there for you in the midnight hour. He's the same God who is able to wipe your tears away. He's the same God who was there inside of lack and want. He's the same God. He's Jehovah, my great provider. Tell me why you've given up on God. Tell me why you've given up on Him. Tell me why you've given up on God. Hold on, change is on the way. Ebezina, chukwu nọsọ. Ogini bụ nsogbu gị, ịma na ọ dịghị adịgide. Nwanne m o, isi anya gị, isi anya gị, Chukwu adịghị atụ asị. Nwanne m o, jidesie ike, isi anya gị, Chukwu adịghị atụ asị. Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma, ọ ga-adịrị gị mma, ọ ga-adịrị gị mma n'ụtụtụ, ọ ga-adịrị gị mma n'ehihie. It shall be well with your soul, to the righteous. It shall be well with your soul, to the righteous. It shall be well with your spirit, to the righteous. It shall be well with your soul. Tell me why giving up on God. Tell me why you think the Lord is not answering your prayers again. You think He has failed you, He's no more answering you. You think you are alone, you think you're alone. You're not alone. I have a goodness to you today. God will wipe your tears, He will remember your cries today. Your cries no more, your tears are no more. You will never feel bad as you used to be. My God will show up for you. He will answer your prayers today. Go home and cry no more. Go home and cry no more. Go weeping, endures in the night, but joy shall come in the morning. Joy shall come in the morning. Happiness shall follow you, they go. You will have no reason to cry from today henceforth. Oh, you will have no reason to weep as you used to be. For my God has remembered you. He has remembered you. Many people might have been saying, where is your God? Show us your God. You serve the living God, but your life's still the same. Where is your God? Where is your God? Your God will show up for him. He will make him become a liar, cause my God can never lie. He's the same, forever he'll be. He can never fail, he can never change. He'll remain the same, forever he'll be. Tell me why you've given up on God. Tell me why you've given up on Him. Tell me why you've given up on God. Hold on, change is on the way. 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 Tell me why you've given up on God. Tell me why you've given up on Him. Tell me why you've given up on God. Hold on, change is on the way. Ebezina, chukwu nọsọ. Ogini bụ nsogbu gị, ịma na otu ị ga-adịgide. Nwanne m o, isi anya gị jidesie ike. Isi anya gị jidesie ike. Jidesie ike. Isi anya gị, wipe your tears away. 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 Be comforted.